Hi, I'm Jennifer Marshall-Jenkinson, Chairman of the UK Microwave Technologies Association and author of the prize-winning cookbook Microwave Magic, The Art of 21st Century Cooking. So, I've got in this dish 50 grams of melted butter. I'm just going to add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons or thereabouts of pesto sauce. Give that a stir in. Two garlic cloves, crushed, so that that's stirred in together, and 500 grams of fresh washed raw prawns. Now I'm going to cover the dish with cling film. There we are. Medium power for 6 minutes, and we'll give it a stir halfway through cooking time. And I've stirred them once halfway through cooking time, and here they are, thoroughly cooked. Now prawns are difficult to cook because they're only cooked when they turn bright pink. You don't want to overcook them, otherwise they toughen. On the other hand, you don't want to serve them raw. So every prawn must be bright pink in colour. So I'm going to serve these now on a lovely bed of cooked rice.